especies encontradas y el transporte de los peces también.
Interesante.
Okay, we are ready to start the second conference of the day. We had earlier today heard about South America from Monsieur Pelé, but now we are going to the dark continent of Africa. More specific, we go to Zambia.
Bueno, segunda conferencia del día. La primera ha sido sobre Brasil, sobre sudamericanos anuales, y ahora nos vamos al continente negro y específicamente a Zambia.
Zambia is located in the southern hemisphere, in the middle of Africa. It's surrounded in the northeast of Tanzania, in the northwest of the Democratic Republic of Congo, to the west of Angola.
Tenemos Zambia, según se ve en el mapa, en verde, en el hemisferio sur, en la parte central de África, sin costa, en el este Tanzania, Mozambique, y en el norte Congo, al oeste Angola.
To the southwest, the strip of border with the Namibia. To the south, the Zimbabwe, and to the east, Malawi.
Tenemos al oeste también una pequeña franja con limítrofe con Namibia, y al sur Botswana, Zimbabwe y Mozambique, incluso Malawi.
Zambia climate is very much dominated by two weather systems. The weather system from the Indian Ocean affects very heavily the eastern part of Zambia, but the western part of Zambia is dominated by the weather system from the rainforest in Congo.
Hay dos sistemas climáticos que